I want to share this PWD parking that I saw for awareness. Check out the visibility of the PWD signages, the PWD parking and its accessible aisle, the PWD ramp, and the fine. O diba? Sana all ganito ang PWD parking. By the way, I am Rob and I am a PWD and wheelchair user. To Robinson's Magnolia, a shout out and thank you for implementing and prioritizing the PWD accessibility law.
I am restricted, fixed upon the web. I need to kick the habit that my mind is